right.
Swingers.
Yeah, well, you know. All right, off you go then.
All right.
Jimmy leg. No, it didn't look that bad, does it? It doesn't. I can see what they mean, but it's not that bad. All right, off you go.
Okay. Come back to the outside.
Yep.
Did you get this pencil?
Perfect. I want to get the foot one more time because I couldn't see it. So I'm just going to zoom in on your feet, and then I just want you to run one more time. I'm just going to zoom in on the feet. Yeah.